to change in each his own way. Only Jah can judge a man, and so I gotta do my own thing. I say we all will have to change in each his own way. Only Jah can judge a man, and so you better do your own thing. I said I'm at the reins, steering it like how I said it would have been. Can't overstand, say the ones who should have friend them woulda pretend you and them no good again. What other them, but that no matter on ya. Evil as scatter when me sat a massagana. Now fall back and none of them woulda want you. Take it to the top, but if you drop them woulda scorn you. But sure as the leaves shall fall from trees, I assure Babylon shall fall to knees. Overstand everyone you can go please. So from your blessed, don't be stressed, go your own way. I say we all will have to change in each his own way. Only Jah can judge a man, and so I gotta do my own thing. I say we all will have to change in each his way. On the way. You should have seen me in my room, Mike stand it was a broom. 9 years old with a vision and a tool. Now the camera them a zoom with the flash I coulda blind. Darkness it ring flash back in my mind. Now I back up on the grind, something like you never seen. Pressure for the cage, now I switching up the train. Tidy up the house, we can span it till it clean. Life lessons learned, let me tell you what I mean. Let no amount of money come between me. That was said evidently they never feel me. So when they show you who they are, better believe it. And some of my friends start drifting away. I say we all will have to change in each his own way. Only Jah can judge a man, and so I gotta do my own thing. I say we all will have to change in each his way. On way, on way. I keep hear a revolution time, but me want to hear some evolution of mine. Tired to hear about all the doctrine, cause no matter where they send me, say the clock still spin. And though we all try to hold on, even though letting go wouldn't be so wrong, then you will find out life goes on. Facing all that you doubt is what makes you strong.